guys, welcome to my channel. I really need lotion. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It's pretty much a halo eye. I use the new Colourpop and Makeup SHAYLA collection collaboration. I haven't put this palette down since I first got my hands on it. There's just so many looks you can create with it, and I didn't know what kind of look I wanted to do today, but I ended up doing this, which is pretty similar to the look SHAYLA did in her video when she went over the collection. I know she did a halo eye using this pink shade, but I don't know what other shade she used, so but yeah, so it's kind of inspiration from her. But definitely check out her video and check out the collection because, like I said, I have been loving it lately. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on. I'm going to be using the Colourpop and Makeup SHAYLA palette today. This is her Perception palette, and can we just take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous this palette is? And also, this palette, I think it's Colourpop's biggest palette. They have 4 extra shades in here compared to their other palettes, and there's also a mirror, which is awesome, and it's a nice big mirror, so I love it, even though I usually use my little mirrors for my compacts when I'm doing my makeup, but I've actually been using this mirror when I use this palette for the most part. But yeah, I'm going to be using this today. It has a really nice variety of colors. You can do simple looks, but then there's also a lot of nighttime, smoky colors that you can use in here. I don't have an exact look in mind. I kind of do, kind of don't. So we're just going to see what happens today. But yeah, let's get started. I'm just going to take the shade Culture on a big fluffy blending brush. This is a Morphe M504. And I'm just going to put this all over my crease as my first transition shade. And I think I want to do something a little bit more dramatic today. So I am going to bring this pretty high up. I think I'm going to cut the crease today. We shall see. I'm going to go right into the color Played Out, which is a deep brown. Now, normally I would use a color in between this, but I don't really want to use Revenge today, even though it's a super gorgeous burnt warm brown, which I normally like, but I think I'm going to stick with Played Out today. And I'm just taking that on a Morphe R39, similar to like a MAC 217. I'm going to go in with the shade Titus, which is like this gray with a kind of a silver flip, but I don't know how to describe it. I don't know why, but that was like one of the first shade I was drawn to in this palette, which is weird. It's not really a shade that I would normally be drawn to, but I just think it's so pretty. And originally I was going to do a look with just this color, but I'm going to incorporate other colors with this, but I'm going to take Titus on a flat brush, and I'm going to put this on the inner and outer corners of my eyes, starting a halo eye effect. I feel like it just looks like wet almost. Oh, and you don't even need like Fix Plus or anything with this. I'm just going to go in with some concealer, one that's a bit light for me so that I can cut out the center of my lid. I'm going to do a halo eye today, and it's been a while, so why not? And I'm just going to take that on my Real Techniques concealer brush. I love using this brush to do any kind of detail work. I'm just going to go back in with Titus and just add a little bit to the edges of that. Now I'm going to take the shade September, and I'm going to put this closest to Titus, but I am going to leave a little bit of the center open for another shade. Actually, I'm going to put September all over the center. Now I'm going to take the shade Unbothered and place that in the center of September. I'm just going to go in with my NYC Black Liquid liner, any black liquid or gel, whatever liner you want to use. I'm just going to line by my lash line just so when we put lashes on they blend a little bit better. So I just went in and added some mascara and lashes. I used the Queen Bee lashes from KoKo Lashes today, and now we're going to move on to the face, and I'm going to start off by priming my skin with the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the hydrating and smoothing one. I'm just going to add some of the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer where I have more pores, which is in my cheek area. Please ignore my nails. I need to repaint them. Thank you. And for foundation today, I actually think I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. It's been a while since I've used this, so I kind of want to just use it again and see what I think, because I'm pretty sure I really like this, but it's just been a while, so you never know. I feel like my skin looks just a little bit, almost slightly cakey, but I don't think it's because of the foundation. It's just my skin has been kind of really textured lately. Last week my skin was just so bad. It's actually a little bit better this week, but yeah, this is one of those foundations where I feel like it looks better throughout the day, which is usually the case with more full coverage and matte foundations on my skin because I do have dry skin. So usually these kinds of foundations look better after they are sitting on the skin for a while. I'm just going to spray a little bit of MAC Fix Plus before I go in with concealer, just to add some hydration back into my skin. For concealer today, I think I'm going to do a little bit of a mixture with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer, because I have this problem where I can't just use one, I need to use both. I'm going to take the Colourpop one first. I went in with the wrong shade. Okay, let me just put a little bit there. It's the right one. I meant to use medium tan, 35. That's alright. It's alright. Then I like to take the Flower Beauty one closer to my under eye because it's a little bit more hydrating. Just gonna do a little bit of baking with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. While I'm baking, I'm actually going to finish off the eyes while I have this powder under my eyes. I think for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Culture. Start blending that underneath. And I'm going to go in with the shade Played Out. Then I'm actually going to take Titus on a flat brush and push this against the lower lash line. I'm actually going to put a black liner. This is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever in my waterline. I haven't used black liner in my waterline in so long, but we're doing it. For bronzer today, I'm going to use the Becca Sunlit bronzer in the shade Ipanema. Don't know how you say it. For blush today, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rose. Bring some life back into my face. I am going to use some of the SHAYLA and Colourpop loose highlighter in the shade Boomin. And this is like a true gold, and it might be a little bit too dark right now, but I'm probably going to mix it with another highlighter, but I want to go in with this first. Take it on my small little fan brush so I don't go overboard with it, just in case it is a little bit too dark. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty. Actually, doesn't look bad. It don't look bad. It's like a true gold. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the Everglow highlighter from Ofra and Nikki Tutorials, and just take a little bit of this gold shade to highlight my Cupid's bow and nose. So we're going to finish this look off with some lips. I picked up 2 of the Colourpop and SHAYLA lipsticks. I'm going to use Quickie today, but I'll insert a picture of the other one I got. What's the name of it? Can't think of the name of it right now. I don't have it in front of me. But I'm going to insert swatches that I took outside so you can see that. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop lip pencil in Curvii. I'm going to go in with Quickie. This is a Luxe lipstick from Colourpop. These are super nice and super comfortable to wear on the lips. My lips are so dry right now. Wonderful. Definitely pulls like a more peachy nude on my skin tone, and it's super gorgeous. Now SHAYLA also came out with a gloss, which is called Neat Freak, because she's a neat freak, and it is just so gorgeous. It kind of looks peachy, but then it has all these flecks of gold glitters in it. I don't know if I want to do a gloss today, but I'm just gonna do it anyway, just because this looks super pretty. And also, I'm not a huge gloss person. I've been trying to get more into it, but if I do wear a gloss, it's usually a Colourpop gloss, because I feel like these just are super comfortable on the lips. They don't feel super sticky or heavy, and I feel like they last a decent amount of time for being a gloss. And I'm just going to spray my face with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix to set everything. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are looking for a good, affordable palette, I highly recommend checking out the Makeup SHAYLA and Colourpop palette. The quality is amazing. You're getting so much for your money because the palette has such a wide range of colors, and you can create so many different looks, from wearable to nighttime glam looks. So if you are looking for a good go-to palette, I highly recommend checking that out, and also everything else in the collection. That is pretty much it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and hit the little notification bell, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Did I say that weird? Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Probably not after this.